Knife sets for kitchen with block. HUNTER.DUAL 15-piece knife set with built-in sharpener, dishwasher safe, German stainless steel, elegant black. Black kitchen knife set is made of German anti-rust technology, which makes the knives have strong durability, exquisite craftsmanship, easy to clean, and will greatly improve the service life of the knives. The integrated jointed stainless steel knives are not only hand washable, but also dishwasher safe, and won't be damaged by impact cleaning in the dishwasher. The handle of the knife is made of German stainless steel, designed by famous designers, and the handle adopts a number of anti-slip technologies, so that there will not be any slippery feeling or trouble when using it, and the use is very comfortable and safe. HUNTER.DUAL is tested by qualified inspectors and undergoes strict quality inspection, so please feel free to buy them from our customers. If there is any problem with the product, please check the quality inspector on the knife box and contact us. We will provide you with service at the first time. Get best price and discount for this product by link in description. See you.